Imagine a world where you could control your phone with your thoughts. Imagine downloading entire libraries of information into your brain in seconds. This might sound like science fiction, but it is the future that brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, promise. Imagine a chip implanted in your brain, capable of reading your thoughts and translating them into actions. Would you embrace this technology, or does the idea send chills down your spine? The line between science fiction and reality is blurring, forcing us to confront profound questions about what it means to be human in an age of rapidly advancing technology. The reality is that BCIs are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They are a rapidly developing field with the potential to revolutionize medicine, communication, and our very understanding of the human mind. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, it is imperative to examine the potential benefits and risks of BCIs, ensuring that we shape this technology responsibly and ethically. The future of humanity may very well depend on it. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, serve as a bridge between the electrical signals of our brains and external devices. These devices can range from computers and smartphones to prosthetic limbs and wheelchairs. Essentially, BCIs allow us to interact with the world around us using only our thoughts. Current BCI technology is still in its early stages, but significant progress has been made. Current BCIs use electrodes to detect and interpret brain activity, allowing users to control cursors, play games, and even communicate basic needs. However, these systems are often invasive, requiring surgery to implant electrodes directly into the brain. Non-invasive methods, such as electroencephalography or EEG, are also being explored, but they typically offer less precise control. Despite these limitations, the potential of BCIs is undeniable. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and less invasive BCIs emerge, opening up a world of possibilities for human enhancement and rehabilitation. One company at the forefront of BCI development is Neuralink, founded by entrepreneur Elon Musk. Neuralink aims to create ultra-high bandwidth BCIs that seamlessly integrate with the human brain. Their approach involves implanting tiny thread-like electrodes into the brain, capable of both recording and stimulating neural activity with unprecedented precision. Neuralink's ultimate goal is to create a future where humans and artificial intelligence, or AI, can coexist and collaborate seamlessly. Musk envisions a world where BCIs allow us to enhance our cognitive abilities, access information instantly, and even merge our minds with AI to create a collective superintelligence. While this vision may seem far-fetched, Neuralink's ambitious goals and rapid progress have positioned them as a major player in the BCI field. Their work has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the brain and unlock new possibilities for human potential. While the full potential of BCIs may be years away, their impact is already being felt in the medical field. BCIs are helping paralyzed patients regain control of their limbs, allowing them to walk, eat, and interact with the world in ways that were once unimaginable. They are also showing promise in treating conditions like epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Beyond medical applications, BCIs are also being explored for everyday use. Imagine controlling your smartphone or computer with your mind, typing without a keyboard, or even sharing your thoughts and emotions directly with others. While these applications are still in their infancy, they offer a glimpse into a future where BCIs could fundamentally change the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Section 5. Musk's Vision: Transcending Human Limitations with AI. Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind Tesla and SpaceX, sees brain-computer interfaces as essential for the future of humanity. He believes that artificial intelligence is advancing at an unprecedented rate, and that humans need to augment their own capabilities to keep pace. Musk envisions a future where brain-computer interfaces allow us to seamlessly merge with AI, creating a symbiotic relationship that enhances our intelligence, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. This vision, while ambitious, raises profound questions about the nature of consciousness, identity, and the future of our species. If we merge with AI, what will it mean to be human? Will we retain our individuality, or will we become part of a collective hive mind? These are questions that we need to grapple with as we develop and implement this transformative technology. Section 6. The Ethical Tightrope: Navigating the Complexities of Brain Tech. The development and deployment of BCIs raises a host of ethical concerns that demand careful consideration. One major concern is privacy. BCIs have the potential to read our thoughts and emotions, raising questions about who will have access to this data and how it will be used. Safeguarding mental privacy will be paramount as this technology advances. Another concern is security. BCIs could be vulnerable to hacking, potentially allowing malicious actors to access and manipulate our thoughts and actions. Ensuring the security of these devices will be crucial to prevent potentially catastrophic consequences. Additionally, the potential for inequality is a major concern. If BCIs become a reality, will they be accessible to everyone, or will they exacerbate existing social and economic disparities? Ensuring equitable access to this technology will be essential to prevent further division and injustice. Section 7. A global brain race competition and collaboration in neurotechnology. The development of BCI technology is not limited to Neuralink. Governments and research institutions around the world are investing heavily in neurotechnology, recognizing its potential to revolutionize healthcare, defense, and other sectors. This global race to dominate the field is fueling both competition and collaboration. China in particular has emerged as a major player in the BCI field, with significant government funding and a rapidly growing research community. The European Union is also making significant strides, with a focus on developing ethical guidelines and regulations for BCI technology. This global competition, while potentially leading to rapid advancements, also raises concerns about the potential for an arms race in neurotechnology, with potentially destabilizing consequences. International cooperation and dialogue will be essential to ensure that BCI technology is developed and used responsibly. Section 8. The human equation. Are we ready to merge with machines? The prospect of merging with machines, of enhancing our cognitive abilities and transcending our biological limitations, is both exhilarating and terrifying. It challenges our fundamental understanding of what it means to be human, forcing us to confront profound philosophical and ethical questions. Are we ready for a future where our thoughts and actions are intertwined with artificial intelligence? The answer ultimately lies within each of us. As we stand at the cusp of this new era, we must engage in open and honest conversations about the implications of BCI technology. We need to consider the potential benefits and risks, the ethical challenges, and the societal implications. We need to ask ourselves what kind of future we want to create, and what role we want technology to play in our lives. Section 9. A future intertwined, embracing the potential while mitigating risks. The future of humanity is inextricably intertwined with the development of technologies like BCIs. By harnessing the power of these technologies responsibly and ethically, we have the potential to alleviate suffering, enhance human capabilities, and unlock new frontiers of knowledge and understanding. However, we must proceed with caution, carefully considering the potential consequences of our actions and striving to create a future that benefits all of humanity. The path forward requires a delicate balance between embracing the potential of BCIs and mitigating the risks they pose. We need to establish clear ethical guidelines, ensure equitable access, and prioritize the well-being of all individuals. By working together, we can shape a future where technology empowers us, not defines us, and where the human spirit continues to thrive in an increasingly interconnected world.